she's beautiful. But when I woke up I realized that the dream I had was true. You see, I'm not trying to cause any trouble, but the way she acts makes it difficult to be the guy I am around my friends. She's got to stop what she's doing now. 'Cause that is your girl, it's your girl. You know it's your girl, it's your girl.